over here in Excel, what I want to do is I want to put a blank row in between each of these rows with data on them. Sort of the opposite of what I've talked about before. Over here I have a video how to remove gap rows where we remove the rows in between the data and make it to where it's just the data. This is the opposite, where I want to have a new row in between the data. So, if you were to do a one-off, you'd come here, right-click Insert, but obviously I don't want to do that method because there's a lot of data here. So I want to try to figure out how to do this. This guy right here, Doug H. Excel, he's got a great video on how to do it, and it's real quick and easy, so I'm going to play it. Now, I have a different recording software, so it's not able to record the sound that he provides, so I'll just narrate it here. What he wants to do is he just numbers it all the way down 1 through 10, then he copies that and pastes it into different rows below, and then he's going to sort that column smallest to largest. And so that's going to create 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and give us what we want. So we come over back to Excel here and try that out. Let's go ahead and get rid of these. I'll start by just saying header here. 1, 2, 3. We'll highlight that, and then in the bottom right corner we'll double left click on the mouse. You have to go all the way down. To go all the way to the bottom, we'll hold down the control button and hit the down arrow. And then to highlight this, we'll hold control shift up arrow. And then we'll go back down, control down arrow. Paste it in. And then what we'll do is we'll come back to the top, highlight the G column, come over to filter, and from that filter we'll sort smallest to largest. This is saying you have data next to it, do you want to include that data in the sort? And we do, so we'll say expand the selection, sort, and there we go. So we can delete this, and now we've got a gap in between all of the rows.